name is Ellie. A2i Academy is the place where you learn maths through fun. You'll find all the resources you need, from assessments, reports and animated videos. If the only thing you heard throughout your life was "I hate maths," how would you feel? We have the solution to your problem. You'll be able to learn in your own time, from anywhere. As long as you have a tablet, phone, laptop or a PC with internet connection. Imagine you landed a dream job. The first thing you are asked to do involves maths. After all those years studying, you feel that you can't apply what you've learned. Schedule your own study time, and take ownership of your learning journey. Master the skills, and show the winner within. Join us, and you will have more time to do what you love. At A2i Academy, we encourage you to participate. Help you to learn through your mistakes. Guiding you to master numerical and mathematical skills. Anywhere, anytime. We are here to help. At A2i Academy, we aim to show where you can apply those skills, and how you can do it in your own time. Imagine if you could do all of these: have fun, rewind, get instant feedback, and have a teacher on demand. Why wait? Get your fun tutorials and resources now.